Darvanalee Designs Studio. Today in Review Weekly I am actually reviewing something that I'm working on at the moment. It is called Divided Blooms. It is a lap quilt. It is by Carolyn Muffet. I think that's how you pronounce her last name. And Carolyn, if you do happen to see this, I am sorry if I butchered your last name. Now, first and foremost, as you would know, that I do not contact the designers or the pattern designers or anything like that before I do a review. This is just an independent review that I'm doing myself. Now, a couple of months ago, probably a few months ago now, I started to get in the free bird quilting designs into my store. This was one of the first ones that I got in. I think what caught my eye the most is the way the quilt was done. As you can see in the picture here, it's got a lot of heavy quilting on it, and that's what actually made it so appealing to me. As a long armer, I could just see myself making this quilt and then quilting it up. So I decided that yes, I was going to do it. And then just after I got these patterns in, I started to take in delivery of my Liberty lawn fabrics that we now sell on our website. So I have both this pattern and the Liberty lawn fabrics over on the website. I might not have what you can actually see here because some of them have sold out, but you can see how it's going to lend itself to it. So the best part about this, like the first thing I got in was just the pattern. It is $16 and it's quite extensive. It comes with all the templates and everything that you need, and I'll show you that in a second. But it also now has the templates for it, the Perspex templates. So you'll be able to use these. You can see there's circles in them and whatnot. You'll be able to use this for other things as well, not just for this particular quilt. So as you can see, these are $24. They're also listed over on our website along with the pattern. So that's what some of the stock that I have, and this is what you get in your pattern. So you can see here, it's giving you the information on how to do it. It goes through what you need. It gives you the layouts and everything like that. It gives you the templates as well. And also it gives you the option of doing it needle turn or raw edge. I'm actually doing it needle turn applique, but a bit of a cheats way, where I glue it all down and everything like that, and then I just do an invisible stitch around it. I'm not actually sitting there turning the hem around. So it gives you everything that you need, how many petals you're going to need for flowers and all that sort of stuff. It gives you how to cut the background out from your fabric that you need. It gives you an actual layout. It just gives you absolutely everything that you need in the pattern. For $16 you do get a lot. There's a lot of techniques that you will utilize in this pattern as well, but the best part for me was actually the templates that you got. So if you are an absolute beginner for raw edge applique, I would suggest that this would be a good one to start with, and I would suggest that you actually get the templates because it just makes it easier for you. For me, I'm actually, as I said, I'm doing it a cheats way of doing needle turn. So it was just a technique that I learned a couple of years back, and I have utilized that ever since because I like the look of it, and I'm actually hand stitching this all on. You could actually machine this on by just doing some straight stitching around it. You wouldn't even need to do the blanket stitch if you didn't want to, or you could do a blanket stitch. That's entirely up to you. It is a really good simple pattern. It took a little while for me to prep all this because of the technique that I'm using, but if you were just doing raw edge and on your machine, it'd take you no time at all. So that is my review for the lap quilt called Divided Blooms from Free Bird Quilting Designs. As I said, we have this listed over on our website, and we also have some of the Liberty fabrics over there as well. So head on over and have a look and see what we've got. And if you like this video today, give us a thumbs up down below. Leave us a comment and tell us what you thought. Have you actually already purchased this pattern and started it? And if so, don't forget to head over to our Facebook group and share the pictures with us. The link is down below for that. And if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. My name's Nicole Reid for Darvanalee Designs Studio, and this is Review Weekly, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.